This is a power touch drilling machine, and I bought this separate. It came with other drills. So right now I'm going to use it on this wall bracket piping. I'm already piping it right now, so I'm going to make use of it. So watch and see what I'm doing. So guys, I'm sure you understand what I did there right now. Please guys, if you're watching from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching from Facebook, please like, share and follow.